back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be opening our August 2019 Splendies. First, let me say again, welcome. I do greatly appreciate you being here and taking the time to watch my videos. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do tons of unboxings, reviews, hauls, sneak peek videos, live streams, which are always a blast. Like I said, lots of giveaways. We do have a couple giveaways going on right now. We have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. That link will be down below, as well as a chance to win the August/September, because it is bi-monthly, Tribe Beauty Box. So 2 active giveaways. The Tribe Beauty Box giveaway ends on September 6th, and the 5,000 subscriber giveaway ends on September 22nd. So if you are new, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you become a part of our YouTube family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Your loyalty means so much to me. But what is Splendies? So it says surprise undies delivered. I need a blooper reel, y'all. A surprise subscription of 3 pairs of quality undies delivered to your door. It's like Christmas every month. We carry sizes from small to 4X and everywhere in between. Choose to receive all thongs, no thongs, or make it a complete surprise. It's that simple. In a matter of days, you'll get a wonderful surprise of 3 pairs of great undies for as long as you wish. All plans renew automatically on the 14th of every month, and plans do start at $14.99. Now, I also have, and I did check just before filming, that this code is actually still active, and that is June 50. I will make sure to put that along with a link down below. That will get you 50% off your first pair, or your first month, so your first 3 pairs. So you will get them for like $7, $8. So you can't beat it. Let's get in here and see what cute undies we got for August. This, I believe, is my 3rd month getting them, and you guys, they are so comfortable and they are just the cutest. I choose the no thong option. Those days have long passed since I had Christopher. So let's just open it up and see. So it always comes wrapped up cute like this with their Splendies sticker. Telling you, it's just such, ooh. It's just such a fun subscription because you get cute underwear to your door, and they're really high quality. Like, most of the time the undies are valued at like $12 a piece, and you're paying at normal price, not counting your first month at a discount. You're paying just a couple dollars more than that for 3 pairs. And you guys, when I tell you they're comfortable, I mean, they are like super comfy and cozy. Like, they don't ride up, they're awesome. So let's get into it. I see some cuteness. Oh my. And this is one thing I really like, is that the variety that they send is super cute, because sometimes they send just regular. Sometimes they send some that are a little see-through, so you can, you know, depending on your mood. But anyway, so this first pair is adorable. It is kind of a see-through pair here, and it's got the little black bow. And this is from 7 till midnight when the fun begins. Ooh. Eyelash lace boxer with sheared waistband, and contrast satin ribbon bow. So obviously they are purple, and you can, like I said, see they're kind of see-through. Fun. But this is what they look like on. Those are super cute. And like I said, because they're kind of see-through, that'll be fun. These do not have a price on them, but like I said, normally they range are always $12 a piece. So I'm gonna assume that that is that price. The next pair is super, super similar. Real lingerie for every body. Soft floral lace boy short. And this is in dusty turquoise. I love this color, like, so much. Ow. These are super adorable as well. So again, kind of see-through. And just, they're so soft. So there you have it, that pair. Oh, now I thought this pair was red. Oh, they are getting spicy this month. I hear ya. This is from Ooh La La Cherie Paris. Animal print boy short with eyelash lace windows. There's what the tag says. Y'all, these are stinking, like, awesome. So here's the front. Obviously, like I said, they're just regular, but you can kind of see, I thought, because I saw this and I'm like, okay, so we're gonna have a solid pair. Nope, we got some peekaboo windows. And then y'all, the back is like completely see-through. These are so cute. I don't know what is my favorite pair. Y'all, I mean, this pair right here, as far as color, is definitely my favorite. I love how different these are as far as having like the see-through thing happening, like the peekaboo type see-through. Both of these are obviously see-through, but I like that these have like the little frill action. I don't know. I don't think I can pick a favorite this month. I love them all. I love them all every month. They're all so amazing, but these are all just like, these are all like fun, like, ooh. Ooh la la. So I am so excited to enjoy my new panties. So let me know what you think. Do you guys get Splendies? If not, like I said, I will put a link down below as well as that promo code to save you 50% off your first month so you can enjoy some beautiful new underwear. And you guys, like I said, not only are they beautiful, and like I said, you get different styles every month, they're so comfy. So yay. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, that link and coupon code will be down below. Again, if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to enter our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.